In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and remove fields from page layouts in Salesforce. Whether you're new to Salesforce or looking to refine your skills, managing page layouts is crucial in customizing how your users interact with data in Salesforce. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start from your Salesforce homepage. If you're already logged into your Salesforce account, this is where you'll typically land. The homepage acts as the command center, offering you an overview of all your Salesforce activities. From here, locate and click on the Open Advanced Setup option. This menu gives you access to the more technical features of Salesforce, where you'll be doing most of your customization work. Once there, you'll want to navigate to Object and Fields. This section is your gateway to managing data structure and field configuration in Salesforce. Think of it as your toolkit for customizing how data is organized and displayed. After clicking there, move to Object Manager. The Object Manager is crucial because it lists all the objects available in your Salesforce environment, and this is where most customization tasks begin. Now that you've accessed Object Manager, select the object you want to modify. For our example, we'll use Account. Accounts are fundamental objects in Salesforce as they represent your clients or potential clients, and customizing these records can significantly enhance how information is captured and presented. When you're in the account section, the next step is to click on Page Layouts. This is where you control what fields are visible on the page for users. You'll see a list of available layouts. These layout templates represent different ways information can be presented and viewed. Click on Account Layout to enter the editing mode for customizing these views. Inside the layout editor, the arrangement of the fields will appear. To remove a field, you'll look for a minus sign or a similar icon beside the fields you wish to remove. By clicking on this minus sign, you can make fields less accessible if they're not necessary for every end user. Remember, simplicity is often key. Removing clutter can make the interface much more user-friendly. The entire process is about finding a balance that makes sense for the users and the organization's workflow. Tailoring these fields according to the specific user needs can enhance productivity and improve data insight. That's all it takes to add and remove fields from page layouts in Salesforce. A few clicks can ensure your team's experience is intuitive and informative, guiding them to the information they need without unnecessary distraction. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to explore further to fully customize Salesforce layouts according to your needs.